How to fix we cannot currently register this number in Twitter. If any day you're a Twitter user and you face a problem like this on a Twitter or the X account and you're quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution. For this, first of all, you have to set the X application on your mobile device and then tap on that. After you tap on that, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of app information. After tapping on the option of the app information, it will lead to an interface like this. You also need to make sure whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection. Now just you have to scroll down and then you have to go to the option of permissions and allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification phone and photos and videos. Now you can scroll down and then go to the option of the app details and store, and after tapping on app details and store, your very application will be open in the Google Play Store. Now if you see the option of update out there, you have to update your very application in the Google Play Store, and after updating it, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.